Shut up and sit down.
Hey everybody, this is Alexis with Financial Phoenix. I've got two really great couponing deals at Dollar General for you this week. The first is a all laundry and detergent and paper products deal. So all household items, laundry and paper, so that's awesome. And the second is for the cat lovers among us who need food and litter and those sort of things. So I've got an all kitty deal for you guys this week. So hopefully we have some cat lovers who can take advantage of that. If you have never couponed before at Dollar General and you're brand new or you need a refresher, check out our couponing for beginners video. It'll be linked in the description box below in case you're just brand new to this and you need some tips and tricks. And last but not least, be on the lookout. We will have a video coming out soon on how to sell items from your stockpile and items that you've couponed and make a little side cash as well, so you're really saving the household some money. But let's get into it.
Okay, guys, so before we get into our official transactions for this week, I just wanted to bring your attention to a couple of things really quickly that I think could benefit you guys. If you're doing any back to school shopping for the kiddos, I didn't want to put together a specific deal because what you need in terms of back to school items differs a lot by age. I know our kids need glue and crayons and scissors and markers and things like that. But as you get older, the kids need binders and like earphones and all kinds of different things. So what you need varies a lot by age. So I didn't put together a specific back to school deal, but I wanted to make you guys aware of this anyway because this seems like a really good deal to me. I know that a lot of places right now have good deals going on. Staples is really good for a couple of items for school. Target has some good items, but this is spend 15, get 5 back on any back to school stationery items. And at first I didn't think that was going to be that great a deal, but if you look down below, it says stationery items include pens, pencils, markers, crayons, paper, notebooks, scissors, binders, folders, glue, backpacks, and lunch kits. So you can hit that $15 pretty quick getting one of those nice backpacks. They start at $3 or the lunch kits start at $6. So that's really awesome. And then they have all these great deals on Crayola markers and notebooks and binders. They have pens, pencils. So I would definitely take advantage of this deal. I'm going to put together something, I think, for us. Our kids are 6 and 4. So we might get, some glue and markers and things to keep around the house, but also some for our oldest to take to school with him. So I think that could be really good. Plus, don't forget, in the 721 Smart Source, we just got a $150 off of 2 Bic stationery products. And if you look here, it looks like these Bic items, the whiteout, the pens, the highlighters, are on sale for $1.50. So if you pick up 2 for $3, you get $1.50 back with that coupon, which basically makes it half off. So that would be really good to add to this transaction, this 5 off of 15. Now this is a coupon, so make sure this is clipped to your digital account before you go try to do this deal. But yeah, you could get a lot here for 15, especially if you start with a backpack and just get notebooks, and these are all like 3 for $1, 4 for $1, so that you could get a lot of stuff there for $15. And even if you don't use all of it, you can always donate. So that's a really nice option. The other thing that I wanted to make you guys aware of too, we are doing a cat deal this week. I just happen to have cats. I thought about doing a dog deal to go with it on the other side, but honestly the deals, the savings on dog stuff this week wasn't that great. But I did want to let you dog lovers out there know that they do have buy one get one free of the dog food if you like Beneful, if that's your thing. It's the assorted flavors or simple goodness chicken dog food 8 count. So if you buy the 3 to 3 pound bag, you get this wet food free. So it's not an amazing deal, but it is out there. $5.95. If Beneful's your thing and you wanted to try and swap that out for something in maybe a 5 off of 25 deal and get that even cheaper, you get this bag plus this 8 count of dog food for free. So it's an okay deal. It'd be better if you put it in your 5 off 25 for this week, but just for the dog lovers, know that we haven't forgotten about you. So just keep that in mind as well. Okay, so we're going to start with our detergent and laundry items paper deal first. So I think the 3 best deals this week, honestly, are on the first page of the online circular right here. So we're going to pick up one of the Tide Pods. This is the 12 to 16 count. They are $4.95. We have $3 off with our digital coupon that should be clipped. So that's going to leave us paying $1.95 for that item. So let's look at our list. Yep, the next item is the Gain Flings, the 12 to 14 count. They're $3.95. We have $2 off. We're going to pay $1.95 for that. And the Tide Simply Pods, these all come in a 13 count. You could also get the liquid, but I'm just pods all the way around. So this the 13 count. They're $2.95. We've got $1 off. So not as much savings on that one, but still getting a lot of laundry products here for pretty cheap. So $2.95, getting $1 off. So we're going to be paying $1.95 for that one as well. The next item is the Charmin Essentials Bath Tissue, the 12 double rolls. So it's on sale for $4.95 right there. And we have $1 off of that, making it $3.95. Now, if you need paper towels more than Charmin, you could always get the Bounty instead. You could actually add both to your order, but that would kind of rack your total up there because they're both $4.95. But there is $1 off coupon for the Bounty and a separate $1 off digital coupon for the Charmin. So far, only digitals. I think we do need one paper coupon for this one, but you're going to want to pick up the Charmin. It is the 12 double rolls for $4.95. We're going to use $1 off digital, making that $3.95. So that's awesome. Next, we're going to pick up the Bounce dryer sheets. They are 60 count for $2.95. Let's look here. Right there. So the Bounce dryer sheets. We have a $1 off coupon from the P&G of this month, the July P&G. So that's going to bring that to $1.95 as well. We're just going to pick up one pack of the 3 rolls of the Smart and Simple paper towels. Those are $1.60 this week. No coupon, just a good deal. 3 rolls of paper towels for $1.60. That's good. And then we're going to pick up Charmin toilet paper, a 6 count pack. It's not the best. This is the 1 ply. So we're going to pick up the Charmin Essentials Strong 1 ply toilet paper rolls. It's a 6 count pack. So it's not going to be the greatest. It's 1 ply, but it's extra toilet paper. If you don't want it, you can always donate it, but I would keep it. I mean, toilet paper is toilet paper. You always need some around the house. So pick up that. That's the last item on our list, I believe. So you're going to put your items on the counter. After you pick up all of that, you're going to have them scanned in, and then you're going to give them your 5 off of 25 paper coupon first, and then put in your phone number so that your digital coupons will come off. Oh, I'm sorry. Your 5 off 25 paper coupon and this Bounce dryer sheets paper coupon from the P&G. All paper first, then put in your phone number to take off the digitals. So don't forget to use the 5 off 25, and your total should come out to $12.30 or $1.75 per item. It's a little bit higher than I like my total to be. I love it when my total is under $1 per item so that I can feel like I'm getting it cheaper than I could get anything at the Dollar Tree. But honestly, this is a lot of paper product. This is a lot of laundry product. So this is, a really good deal. We don't get high value coupons on toilet paper. We don't really get high value coupons on paper towels and other paper type things. So, anytime we can get those for a good price is a good deal. So just to check in with you guys, I think I asked you this once before. I'm genuinely curious to know. I didn't see a whole lot of comments on it the first time. If you're watching this video, what is your favorite item to coupon for, or what is something that you need a lot of and can't seem to find good deals on or find good coupons for, because I'd love to be able to help you out with that. Okay, guys, so the next deal that we're going to do, and we're only going to pick up a few things, is the kitty lovers deal. If you guys have cats at home, this deal is for you. So we're going to start by picking up one of the Tidy Cats lightweight cat litter. It is $12.95. I think it's just any of them. There's the coupon right there. Purina Tidy Cats, one package of Purina Tidy Cats lightweight clumping cat litter. So when I looked them up, they were all $12.95, so it doesn't really matter which brand or which type you choose. I think there's a couple different types. You're going to take $3 off of that, which is okay. You know, you're still paying a lot for that item, but good cat litter is good cat litter, and y'all know this if you have cats. Purina Cat Chow is $5.50 a bag. This is for the 3.15 pound bag. You get $3 off, so it's $2.50 for a bag. That's pretty good for a nice bag, you know, a name brand bag of cat food. So that's decent. That's not terrible. And when you add it in with this deal, it ends up being a little bit better. So if you like Purina, that's a good deal for you. Then you're going to pick up the Sheba Perfect Portion Singles. They are $4.80 for 6. You're going to use the buy 3 get 3 free coupon. So that's it right there. I'll add it to my account now so I can do it. So you're going to pick up 3 of these. I think they're 80 cents a piece. You're going to get 3 free. So you're only going to be paying for 3, but 6 is going to be counting toward your total. So they're $4.80 altogether. So you'll be paying $2.40 for those. And the last item is the 9 Lives wet cat food cans. And this is just because we needed something to fill out the end of this order. So you're going to pick up 6 of those, and for $1.98 for 6, so they're 33 cents a piece. So that way you're getting a little more for your money. You know, you could pick up a bag of cat treats for $2, or 2 bags of cat treats for $2. But, you know, would you rather have 2 bags of cat treats, or would you rather have like 6 cans of extra food to keep in the pantry, you know, for when you're between bags of cat food and stuff? So just depends on what you're looking for. There's a couple different ways you could do that, but this is the way that I think we're going to do this week. So we've got the cat litter, we've got the bag of the dry food, we've got the Sheba Perfect Portions, 6 of those singles, and we've got 6 of the 9 Lives wet cat food cans. Make sure you use your paper 5 off of 25. The rest of these are all digitals that should be clipped to your account. Put in your phone number, and your total will come to $11.83 or 85 cents per item. Now, you're not getting quite as much as you typically would, you know, in a regular 5 off of 25, but you're getting a lot of wet food, which is nice, and, you know, 85 cents for cat litter that was originally like 13 bucks, you know, really not bad. Really not bad there at all. So if you want to stock up, if you've got 12 bucks to spend, you know, and you want to stock up on some kitty items, this is definitely the deal for you. And don't forget, if you want to take this printable deal with you to the store, there will be a link in the description box below that you can check out. It'll take you to our blog, and you just print your printable deal there, take it to the store with you, and then you don't have to write any of this down or worry about screenshots or anything. It's just right in your pocket.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hoping that you get some really great savings this week. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out more than you know. We really, really appreciate you guys for watching our videos. And yeah, just have an awesome week.
Shut up and sit down.